Now, glowing skin isn't about having the most skincare product or bleaching your skin, peeling constantly, or having unnaturally light skin like Mickey. Healthy looking skin actually comes from you having a healthy skin barrier, even tone, hydration, appropriate exfoliation, and shielding your skin from the sun with also using your products consistently. I'm going to explain the 7 misconceptions that skincare industry have actually gotten wrong when it comes to having a glowing skin. Number 1, glow doesn't mean lighter skin. Hell yeah. Because I want to have a glowing skin doesn't mean I have to be lighter like Mickey. You know, you can have a melanin skin and still have a beautiful glow, a healthy skin, if you know what I mean. Now, number 2 is more product does not mean better skin. Now, this one actually goes to our people on TikTok. This TikTok trends where you use this one for cleanser, you use this one for toner, you use this one for essence. You don't need too much products in order to have a healthy skin and also to have a glow. That's a healthy glow, not just a glow. Now, the third is burning or tingling does not mean a product is working. Yes, many of you that love to use peeling product, you feel that, oh, if I have this tingling effect or this burning sensation on my skin, that means product you're on a long thing. That's a lie. It doesn't always work that way. Well, number 4, if I exfoliate every day, that means I'm going to have a glass skin. Lori raw. By exfoliating every day, you're damaging your skin barrier. I remember when I first brought out 3x Moshea with the exfoliation. Oh, my customers loved 3x Moshea when we first brought it. That was, I think, 2023 by 2022. And they kept clamoring for, we want more 3x Moshea, we want more 3x Moshea. Oh my shit, it made me lighter. But did it give you the glow you were looking for? That's the question. You had a lighter skin, yes. But there's a difference between having a lighter skin and having a glow. It's not the same. And also, there's a difference between having a glow and using Ororo on your face. It's not the same. Now, the 5th is hydration matters more than people realize. Yes. For you that don't like to drink water, Timba mommy bye, my Lord Tony, I don't want to drink water. No, I'll hold myself. If only you know that you need to hydrate your skin more to also help from the inside out. It actually helps your skin radiate more from the outside. So drink more water. Now, the 6th one is sunscreen is part of maintaining an even healthy looking complexion. Try and shield your skin from the sun. Most of my customers fall short of this. They don't know that they need to apply sunscreen every 2 hours. When they apply it, they begin to complain. Mickey, if I apply the sunscreen again, my skin is dirty already. It's dirty skin meaning. Don't worry. I'll use face cap or I'll use umbrella. Stop it. Now, the last one is consistency beats constantly changing products. These are to my customers in diaspora. These people fall short of this. Changing this product to this product because you saw this trend on TikTok or you saw this one on YouTube. They just advertise this product. Get it. It doesn't work like that. When you keep changing and changing your product, your skin is taking time to adapt. So most times, you're just doing more harm than good to your skin, if you get what I mean. Now, the advice I'm going to give is stop chasing skin that looks good for 5 minutes after you apply a product. Now, chase healthy skin. Healthy skin can be dark brown, light skin, deep, oily, dry, and you can still glow. Your goal shouldn't be to change who you are, but your goal should be to get your skin to its healthiest state. Make it change who she is. But did I? It's just how I like my complexion to be. But that doesn't mean I changed who I am. And that doesn't mean I am not championing. If you get what I mean? Championing for a healthy skin. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye, guys. Peace out.